I know. Look. Clementine, my goodness. I need a rake.
If you just put 3 bales in there, they wouldn't eat it so fast. Because one of them was up standing on top of it, but he just yeah, that big one was in there.
Oh gosh.
The dog and the goat for it, and well, they might.
It's like birds. Feed my baby birds. Oh, we got that. I'm gone. So I closed the door because the girls up there who are laying on eggs, I fed them. But these two right here just cannot stand it. They want in there so bad. They just know they got something more tastier to eat than what they have. And they need it. They need it now, don't you girls? That's not fair, huh, Dolly? It just is not fair. The one with the redder comb is Dolly. And she is the one that always wants up there. Not fair at all. There's a girl up there, she really, really, really wants in there. She just knows they're eating something so good. Sunflowers are coming up, girls. They just know you guys are eating something so good in here. Sissy put a stick in there. So good. Come on, little Roosty. Come on, little Roosty. I think I'm gonna name you Jim Bob. All right, Jim Bob. Come on, Jim Bob. So this is oyster shell. I usually just grab a handful and put it in a spot in the chicken coop, and whoever needs it will eat it. I don't put it in their food because not everybody needs it. We got roosters, they don't eat it. So apparently nobody needs it. So I put some mealworms out for my birdie friends. I have crows, so you can see him over there. I usually put pieces of cat food here, and they come and get the pieces of cat food, the dry cat food. But he's out there doing something. But I want to get some bird. Oh my gosh! I just saw a hummingbird. I just saw a hummingbird. Is that? No, that's a bug. It was about that size. He's over there. See him? Got his worms out for him. Oh no! You're trapped. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Nobody lives in this web, or this web is abandoned, so you just got stuck, didn't you? There we go. Woo. See them all? Good job! You did that! Oh. Are you an acrobat?
He lost his foot, that's why I want to keep him.
Are you nursing him back to health after the kitty got him?
Mm-hmm.
Well, once he gets better, you can set him free, right?
Mm-hmm.
You gotta wait till he gets better.
No, I don't want to set him free. I want him to be my pet.
Well, he's a wild animal. We can't keep him. But
Why?
you can help him get better.
Yeah.
You might have to go and find him some bugs to eat.
Well, I gave him some chicken food.
I
Mom,
don't think he eats chicken food.
Mom, can you type out what they eat?
They eat bugs.
For real?
Mm-hmm.
You can pet him a little. He sticks his tongue out. What is that?
It's a bumblebee. Hey guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start dinner. We're having a stew. So I got stew meat. I'm not following any recipe. I'm just gonna throw stuff in and go. And then thicken when it gets closer to the time of it being done. I'll thicken it up with some cornstarch. Sorry, just grabbing an onion. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these up. Oh, I can use my new cutting boards. They got washed yesterday. It's me grab. I'll use the little one. So if you missed my video 2 days ago, Angela sent me a thing of cutting boards, which I'm so thankful for. So thank you. I'll definitely use them. So I'm going to go ahead and cut up a onion. So there's, you know, so many different ways to make stew, and I'm not following a recipe. I'm just throwing in a bunch of veggies. My mom would always make stew with rutabaga. So let me know what you put in your stew. And so anytime I think of stew, I always think of her putting rutabaga. Or rutabaga, whatever you want to call it. We called it rutabaga. Anyway, we're going to chop up this onion. I'll go ahead. And I'm going to chop mine pretty thick, so we can enjoy the thicker pieces of veggies. So I just have the stew meat, the onion, I'll put some celery. Apparently I really like buying celery. This one is pretty old. I'm going to give this one to my duck. I was buying so much celery because we were making chicken salad every week, and so, and plus I just use a lot of veggies in my cooking anyway. I know some people don't like a lot of veggies, but we do. My girls are veggie eaters. They are not meat eaters. So I'm going to use this celery up because it's one of my, it's still really crispy, but it's one of the older ones. I'm just going to chop this up. Like I said, I'm keeping the pieces long, or bigger, chunkier, I should say. I'm using a lot of veggies, so I'm probably going to add this whole thing of celery. Maybe not. I don't know. I'm going to cut these tail ends off. Okay, so if you're new here, don't mind my crusty crock pot. It has been with me at least 6 years, I think. I think I got it in 2018, or maybe I got it in 2017. I don't remember. But I use it on a weekly basis, multiple times a week. It's still good, and I like it because it's bigger. I think it's a 7-quart. So to this, we are going to add, I do got beef broth. I do have canned, like I can my own chicken broth. I haven't done any beef yet, so beef broth we still have to buy. So I'm going to add this whole container. This is going to cook all day. see what we got up in here, what we want to add. I'm going to add 1 bay leaf. Why not? Actually, I'll probably add 2. Actually, we're going to add 3. So we got some bay leaf. We're going to add some garlic. Let me get it out of the fridge. Hello, garlic, where are you? If I was garlic, where would I be? Is it back? Yes, I would be in the back. I'm gonna add a few teaspoons of garlic. I don't measure. When I do stuff like this, when I'm just putting together something like a stew or a roast, I just add some ingredients. Ugh, that's scraping noise. Alright. The main part of our stew is going to be veggies and not the actual beef. Because I'm going to add later. Oops, sorry guys. Later I'm going to add about 4 or 5 potatoes. I'm going to add a can of my canned carrots. And then I'm going to thicken up the drippings with some, actually, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and add a brown gravy mix to this. Why not, guys? I'm going to add a brown gravy mix. We're going to add an onion soup packet. We're going for some flavor, yeah. Oh, I wish I wouldn't have put my spoon in the sink. Let's use a big spoon. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some pepper to this. I don't think I'm going to add any more spices or anything because we got a lot going on with the brown gravy and the onion soup. But I do like the pepper, so. And I think that will be it. And I'm gonna go ahead and cook this all day. Later, I'll add my potatoes. I don't like my potatoes to be soft and mushy, so we will add those probably in a few hours. And then we will add some of my canned carrots. Again, and probably when I add the potatoes, I'll add the carrots. I just don't want everything to be mushy. And this will be our stew. And I will thicken it up when the time comes with some cornstarch and water. That's going to be dinner. Oh, it's Pam with her old window behind her. So, dinner's in the crock pot. I picked these up at Ollie's. I wanted to try them. So, street corn, Mexican street corn popcorn, $2.49. I just ate a piece of banana bread for my brunch. I didn't make any breakfast this morning. Oh, my husband went, just playing background music. My husband went and got hay for me. And then him and his brother went and got a coffee at Dunkin' Donuts. He brought me one back, so I had that this morning. And then Journey and I sat outside for a while. And then the neighbor came with her dog, and so Journey went and pet the dog. I don't have any cold ones, so. Do you guys like my cup? Really cute. They're old jelly glasses. Anyway, so I wanted to try this real quick. I figured why not vlog it. don't know if you might want to put ice in it, baby. I mean, it's popcorn, so it's good. It's a little spicy. It is really... I can't say that I don't like it. It's got a certain taste. I'm almost wondering if it's like cilantro, because I don't like cilantro. Vegetable oil, sunflower, cheese blend, cheddar cheese, salt, whey, buttermilk, salt, natural flavor, chili pepper, sugar spices, dry milk, buttermilk solids, natural smoke flavor. That's probably what I'm tasting. It's the natural. So I'm assuming they try to make it taste like, you know, street corn. But let me tell you, this right here looks so delicious. There's a place that we would go and get street corn on the cob, a restaurant. It was so good. Sorry about the hair. Haven't taken a shower yet. I would give these a 5 out of 10.
Cheers.
Sure, my lady. I mean, if I saw these again, I probably wouldn't buy it. Just saying. The smoky. The spiciness is pretty good though. Anyway, I'm not sure what we're doing because I started this stew and I said, well, it'll be done in 6 hours. My husband said, well, what if we're not home in 6 hours? I said, well, it'll be done whenever we get home. So I'm not sure. I know we mentioned something about going to, what's that called? Value Village. But that's over towards Charlotte. So I really don't know. So maybe we'll go thrifting. Maybe we will. I'd like to get some dirt. So the only thing preventing me from gardening is we have to fill up the flower bed. And so I put cardboard at the bottom. And I know I can get some like sticks and leaves, and I'll probably throw those down. We got a bunch of sticks over there. So I'll probably just throw those down. And then we were hoping we can get, because we got equipment to, well, the family has, Uncle Brian has equipment that we could use to get a scoop of dirt from somewhere. But where is the problem? It's like everything is covered with grass or stuff. So I was like, well, if we, you know, I'm not sure if they're going to be burning anything soon, so we have brush piles around the orchard from pruning, and they usually burn that. I'm not sure if they already burned it or not, but I'm like, it would be really good if they burnt that down and got a scoop of like the ashes and dirt from under it. That would be really good, but don't know. And then we were like, well, what if we went and bought some dirt, some garden soil, like from a place that sells it, like by the scoopfuls or whatever, a ton. I don't know how they sell it. I don't remember. A few years ago we bought sand that way, and I think it was right around $100 for them to deliver the sand. And the sand itself was like not very much. It was like $20-something or something, but having them deliver it was like $70 or something. Anyway, so that's the only thing preventing is getting some dirt in the garden bed. And we got some flowers coming up. The other flowers we planted are coming up. I haven't saw anything in the pots, the little tiny pots, which we messed up there because we wrote everything in a washable marker. But it's okay. I'm like, it's either gonna be a flower or it is the bell peppers. So I want to get the tomatoes started, but I'm like debating on if I want to do starters, like, you know, buy the seeds and put them in something and do starters that way, or actually grow them from the ground. The only thing I worry about is when, so I have a garden net that I got at like one of those Amazon return stores. It's a pretty big one. So my plan is, once we get all the dirt into the garden bed, I want to get the seeds planted, and then I'm going to put the net over top because we have chickens, and I only let my chickens out at certain times. I hadn't let them out a lot lately because I'm just worried that whatever got the duck is gonna come back. I don't know when it happened, if it was in the middle of the night, if it was during the day. We had last year, we had an incident where the chickens were out, and I let them out in the morning, and later on I went out and there was a crime scene. So there was feathers and it went around the house. So I'm thinking whatever it was, you know, it was in broad daylight, came out and swiped one of my chickens. It was one of the white girls. So yeah, if I get some dirt, where can I get some dirt, guys? You'd think, Pam, you've got dirt everywhere. And I even thought about that. I'm like, what if, you guys know my husband, but what if I just randomly, like, how many wheelbarrowfuls will it take if I just randomly got scoops from here and there and here and there to fill it up? Got a bunch of dirt. We got this whole peach orchard. There's lots of dirt. Yeah, anyway, I almost talked for 10 minutes. I need to go take a shower, and I will see you guys in a little bit.
Are we just not going anywhere?
Hi, so it's later, and
I'm wearing my new clothes.
did my dad do it? Yeah, he probably did. He's talking about the building. My dad did the fireplace at my mom and dad's house. But we're at a thrift store called Carol's Hope. We've never been to this one.
This one?
Yeah.
Ooh, there's a farm place.
Yeah.
McDonald's.
Oh, look at it. It's got a sheep and a goose and a chicken.
Oh, look at the chicken. Little chicken.
It says chirp.
Chores.
We're at Tractor Supply.
Please, Mom. Can we get 4 baby please?
What?
It's
Yeah, but what if our chickens don't want them?
well, maybe if we just go. What about we buy one of those heater lamps and buy one heater things in case they don't want them, okay?
Well, these aren't even chickens that I want. I don't even want this kind of chicken.
Please?
If there were Isa Browns, I'd say yes, but why don't we come back when they get more chickens?
Are y'all ready to go up there?
Yeah.
You want to carry them? Alright, now don't drop them.
Thank you.
Alright, yes sir.
Okay, guys. So Journey talked me into getting 4 chicks. We got a black astrolorp, 2 Cornish what? Cornish cross. 2 Cornish cross, one black Astrolorp and one Jersey Giant. The Jersey Giant is Sterling's. So we're hoping Mama Hen will accept this gift I got for them. So first things first is we let these guys out because they're chewing at the bit to get out. Do y'all like this? This is Journey's step stool. We're gonna have to put a board up here so the babies don't fall out.
Mom! Why are you so? I'm gonna go that way.
That's not good.
What? What? What is it? My baby hatch?
No.
What?
He was over there mating with his
Mom?
mom.
I'm so dead.
Oh. They don't even know yet.
Actually, I was gonna put that under it. That right there.
Clementine, you need your toenails cut. And back hooves. How about you? Oh, Millie, you need yours done too. What do you see? He just took off running. gonna try my stew. I hate. There we go. But it's really hot. Let's show them. Let's show them, folks. So here's the stew. As you can see, we added some carrots and some peas, and then I just thickened up with some cornstarch and water, and then we made biscuits. So comment below what you're having for dinner. And comment below what you think I should make for dinner next week. Give me suggestions, or send me recipes even.
And don't say hot dogs.
Yeah, my husband won't eat hot dogs. I know Kathleen sent me a recipe on my Facebook. Carrot. Very nice. Oh, that beef is so tender.
Good.
Did you see that mosquito? I don't think I got him though.
What else in this? What did you do with the can?
It tastes like come from a can.
Girl, this is better than Dinty Moore.
Hey. I threw the bay leaves out.
What?
I threw the bay leaves out so you wouldn't eat them.
That's what that was.
You ate a bay leaf?
Mm-mm.
In the bucket?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Any salt in it?
I didn't.
You did?
Mm-mm. Because there was too many flavors going on.
Too many what going on?
Flavors. I didn't want it to be over salted. Over, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I put a brown gravy mix, an onion soup packet, and some pepper. Because I didn't want it to be... Yeah.
A little dash of that.
Pepper on my tongue. Well, so far they haven't noticed that they have chicks under them, which could be a good thing.
Birdie.
Now they do.
Look, you gave birth to them. You gave birth to them. You did. You like your new cat? We gave you. You gave birth to them, yeah? You did. You actually gave birth to them. Do they have your mom and...
Watch out, baby. I'm trying to get them back underneath them.
Are they?
I'm trying to without them pecking me.
Can you go give me an Oreo cookie?
No. We got dirty now. You don't really want to eat a whole plate of chicken from me. Oh, get it, Bob. You haven't done that crap.
Eat a bowl, get it, boy.
What's that chicken doing over here?
They're all looking at them, but I'm trying to get them underneath. Thanks. That will help me.
Good cat, Willie.
If you don't bother wheeling, Willie ain't gonna bother you.
I'll give you some food, okay, Willie? Oh, that's good!
I don't think they...
Just trying to get out. That one black one trying to get out. Up there. See him?
As long as he's under the wings, we're good. Because they didn't attack him. They just,
Well,
looked
not
at,
yet.
they just looked at him and was like,
Pam's gonna run her chickens. It's gonna be funny. It's gonna be awesome. If she trips and falls, I'll call 911. Oh, kitty girl. Don't spoon that chicken. Now.
Are they all in?
All right, you good. Shut the door. Yeah, there were 3 brown ones in there.
Oh, let me
Dad, you hold this in your pocket.
It was kind of a creepy preview. You just step around the corner like Jason Voorhees there peeping in the window. What are you putting in my pocket?
My phone.
Oh, I didn't want that dirty old spoon in my pocket.
I think
Already
we're
got a
good. They're
dirty
all
old
tucked
fork in
in.
the other. Do what?
They're all tucked in.
Oh, well.
No. I don't want the chickens to get out. I don't want the babies to get out from under their wings. Okay, guys. It's been a minute since I've made sourdough with you all, so I'm going to make some now. I've got my starter. I start with a cup of starter. I think I'm going to make 2 loaves of sourdough. I am going to, first I'm going to find my spatula. I don't know where it's at. I have a little girl that likes to play with my little spatula. I have no idea. I will use this one. I'll use this one. I have a small one I like to use. So I got a cup of that starter, and I'm going to get a cup of this starter. I used bottled water. So I use 1 1/4 cup. I'm doubling. So technically, I would just use a whole bottle of water when I'm doubling. So now I'm going to add 3 cups, but since I'm doubling, I'm going to add 6 cups. Okay. I'll get a measuring cup. Here, that's my husband. He's a musician. He's playing his guitar. I don't know what he's doing. I don't know if he's working on a song or not. So, we need 3 cups per. So, I need 6 cups. And I use bread flour. Unbleached bread flour. Okay, you need a little more flour. You want your dough to be shaggy, so Go ahead, baby.
Can you get me a cup? Look for some water. Can you get me one?
You want some water? You want a cup for water, or you want a bottle of water?
Cup for water. I don't need it. I can use the fridge's water.
If you want. So anyway, here is my dough. It's looking pretty shaggy to me. I'm just gonna let it sit. Let it sit for an hour, add my salt, and start doing my stretch and folds. Alright. We gotta put some salt in here. About a teaspoon per loaf. Get my hands wet again. It's time to do some stretch and fold. That looks so delicious. Maybe it's a sign.
Yeah.
Hi guys. Pam energy. So if you don't know, I'm a grandma. My name is Pam. I'm in my pajamas, and my friend Sam made me a shirt because once I said it was Pam in her jams. It was just funny. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog. I just did another stretch and fold, so that was number 3 or 4. 4. I think it was 4. And then I know a lot of people who will put it in a Banneton basket and, you know, let it sit overnight in the fridge. I just leave mine in a bowl, and they turn out, I mean, and I know there's 1,000,001 recipes for sourdough out there. I've just done this one. I've tried like another one before and it didn't turn out, and so I tried this one and it turned out, and it has turned out good every single time, so I just kind of stick with it, and it was one I just found on TikTok. So anyway, so that is in the fridge, and so tomorrow I should be able to bake us 2 loaves of sourdough. Isn't that exciting? Are you excited for sourdough? Anyway, yeah, I really hope that the chicken... So I've got 3 broody hens. So Danny is the mother of the rooster that I called Jim Bob. And she is also the mother of the 2 broody hens. I say mother, but we don't actually know. Of the 2 broody hens. So her and another girl. Danny and, it might have been Lady Glitter Sparkles. Journey named it. Don't ask. They were broody last summer, and so they hatched 3 chickens, 3 chicks. One of them died, and so there was just the 2, which are the 2 broody hens that I gave the chicks to. Danny is on the other side of the coop, and she is with her son, Jim Bob. Jim Bob doesn't leave her side, and Jim Bob is mounting her, trying to fertilize her eggs. I have no idea. It's kind of weird. It's just really weird. But I think that he is the lowest on the totem pole, so chickens have a pecking order, and I think he might be lowest, and the only chickens that accept him is his mom, and then his other mom. So there was 2 of them that were, you know, sitting on eggs that time too. So it's like these bantams like to pair up, and sometimes that happens. So they have 2 moms, and Journey would call them the stepsisters. Booty in me face. You're just being nice to me because you think I have treats. Which I don't know what they did with the treats. Otherwise I would graciously give you some. But y'all are hogs. You're a sweet girl. Don't let anyone tell you different. Winnie only wants attention on her own terms. And right now she feels like she needs some. Anyway, so yeah. So I'm hoping everything goes well through the night. As far as I know, you know, they were under her wing, and she would do the like, and kind of, in chickens, they will peck the babies as long as it's not like aggressively pecking and being mean, like, but they do like communicate and peck them. So hopefully they will take them and think that they're their own. If not, I'll have to set up a brooder. Yeah, so fingers crossed. I wish I had a camera out there, but we'll see how it goes. All we can do is hope that it works out, Winnie. I know a lot of times you put the chicks under the chickens when they're sleeping, and then that's one way to do it. And then they just wake up and think, oh, we hatched some chicks. But give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching my videos and commenting. I do appreciate it. I'm hoping maybe in a month or so I can be monetized. So none of my videos are monetized. I'm not making any money off any of these. And in fact, like on my other channel, like I wasn't hardly making anything. So, and I don't do it to make money, but the money does, you know, it is helpful, especially these days. Oh, I flipped your ear, I'm so sorry. You know, to put in all the work that goes into, you know, blogging and editing, and just, you know, to get a little bit of return. I think the last pay was like 100, and I can tell you, I know. And I don't mind sharing it with y'all. Like, I'm not breaking the bank by no means. Oh, I'm on my new channel. In my old channel. $153.06. So that's what I made for a whole month on my old channel. And I know a lot of people are kind of confused, like, why would you separate the two? So a lot of my following on my old channel. So if you don't know, if you're new to this channel and you don't know me, hi, my name is Pam, and I had another YouTube channel called Sterling Styles, and I was over there for 9 years, right? 2015. Yeah, so I was over there for 9 years, and I did some embroidery videos, and that got me a large following. And so I would daily vlog, but I'd also include my embroidery stuff, which I do here too. But why are you just smiling at me? She's just like, are you listening to me talk? She might be confused and think like you're talking, like I'm talking to her, because there's nobody else in the room. Is that what you think? Hmm? Oh, you're so sweet. Did you want a kiss? Y'all, Anyway, yeah, so, where was I going with this? Oh, so my large following was for embroidery. So if I post, you know, embroidery related videos over there, they seem to get a lot of views, and my dailies don't. So, yeah, so that's the whole reason between me separating the two channels. I still am doing embroidery videos over there. In fact, I have one almost ready to go up over there. It's a little compilation I wanted to do of like some stitch outs, and then I am going to film, got eye boogers. I was going to film another video Monday. So anyway, long story short, here we are on this channel, and yeah. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Ugh, why did I stick that on there? Did you guys see that? I wasn't paying attention.
What do you need? A rake?
A rake.
Plastic or metal?
I was gonna rake that out.
He didn't ask if I wanted to exchange. He said his money go back on the card. Then I get an email.
You turd. Something to cut this with.